Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the 2 slides that Morph will animate between. Make sure your base content is complete. Duplicate the starting slide so you have a copy to alter. This becomes the destination. Once done, change only the elements you want to move or transform on the duplicate. You do this because Morph detects changes across slides and interpolates motion, so consistent layout and clean duplicates create smooth, predictable transitions. Next, you control what morphs by aligning object identity and changing properties on the duplicate. Rename or ensure matching alt text so PowerPoint maps objects correctly. Then move, scale, or recolor elements to define the start and end states. Make sure to stagger animations by adjusting transition duration and object timing. Longer durations show graceful motion, shorter ones create snappy effects. By doing this, you guide how the software interpolates position, size, and style between slides for a polished result. Finally, preview your morph by running slideshow and watch the interpolation play. This confirms pacing and object mapping. Once satisfied, export to MP4 or present directly. Export preserves timing and works for sharing. If things go wrong, make sure object names or alt text match and try grouping complex shapes. This forces proper mapping. If movement looks odd, reduce overlapping objects or adjust duration. These fixes resolve most common morph issues and keep your animation crisp.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.